You're welcome to my channel. Thanks to all my subscribers. In this video, I'll be doing a flat twist, and this is also to show you how to do your own flat twist too. So stay tuned and watch. So guys, this flat twist is actually my first try. Yeah, I don't think I've done any flat twist for anyone or even on my hair before. You can also give this a try, either on your hair or maybe anyone around you. So watch as I briefly explain how you can achieve your own flat twist on your own self. Yeah, or maybe on somebody's hair. So I'll let you know how you can also do it, even maybe better than I do. Yeah, stay tuned and watch. So you're going to start by sectioning your hair. Then you pick a small portion at the front part, divide it into two. Then you have to go in with one of your finger, yeah, and you have to go in and out. Then you take the other hand and twist it in. Yeah, while you watch this video, you're going to get it. Yeah. So you just need two strands, like two strands of your hair to get this twist, just like the normal way you do your Bob Marley twist. Yeah, so you also can, it's the same way but just in maybe in an advanced way since it's like a weave. So yeah, I don't think it's something difficult to achieve. You just need to keep practicing, and of course, once you try us, you're going to get it. And don't forget, I said this was my first try and it came out well. And maybe sometime I will be trying it again, and it definitely will look beautiful than this. But I know this came out very well. I hope you love it. Yeah, you can just see still the same way all through. Nothing changes. Yeah. So here I was almost done with the front part, and we'll be heading to the back area where I will just weave it or flat twist it down to the back. Yeah, so just keep watching. Yeah, it's a short video, but you can learn from this video. Yeah, I hope you watch it. Yeah. Of course, if you're just trying this, it may not be as easy for you because of your hand and even your pattern. Yeah, it may not be as easy for you, but you just keep learning. Like they say, practice makes perfect. So one day you're going to perfect it. Just keep trying. Don't relent. Yeah, if you want to do it, you can do it. Yeah, just always know you can do whatever you set your mind that you want to do. You're going to do it. So here I was almost done. Yeah, on the last twist. So, and I had to just gel the front a little bit and give it a perfect shape at the front to make it look a bit neater because of my front hair. Yeah, so here I was almost done, and right, it's looking so beautiful already, and I really love it. I can put on my wig on this, and like it's also good. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Yeah, I was feeling myself how it came out so beautiful. Bye.